In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Dynamics 365 quickly and easily. Navigating through this essential tool might seem daunting if you're new, but I assure you, within a few minutes you'll feel much more confident about how to get started. To begin, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you regularly use. Once your browser is ready, make your way over to the official Dynamics 365 login page. Simply type Dynamics 365 login in your browser's address bar and you should find it right away. Once the page loads, take a look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll notice a sign in button. Give that a click to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to log in with your Microsoft work or school account. This is typically the email address provided by your organization, something along the lines of your name at company.com. Enter that information into the designated field. If you're logging in as part of a personal testing or learning exercise, you might have a Microsoft 365 trial account instead. Regardless of the account type, make sure you have your login details handy. With that done, let's move on to the next field, which is your password. Enter your password carefully. Double check to ensure there are no typos, as this is a common snag people encounter. After filling out both the email and password fields, direct your attention to the sign in button located right below where you entered your password. With a simple click, you'll be on your way to accessing Dynamics 365. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the Dynamics 365 homepage. This is your command center, bustling with countless applications and features that you can use to manage your work efficiently. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you're having trouble logging in, check to make sure the caps lock on your keyboard isn't accidentally turned on, as passwords are case sensitive. And of course, keep your login credentials secure and confidential to protect your account. There you have it, you've successfully logged into Microsoft Dynamics 365. By following this straightforward process, you'll gain full access to this powerful tool and all that it offers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for additional guidance on exploring Dynamics 365 further.